Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and if you're into Huck's World, bringing you the news that matters. And today, yes, this news, it matters. All right, you all, Samsung has a deal on the Galaxy smartwatches. So if you're in the market for one and you're not going to upgrade to the Galaxy Watch when it comes out, and or you're talking about upgrading from the Gear S2, then you might want to take full advantage of this deal. Now the deal goes through the 22nd of this month all the way through the 28th, so you don't want to miss out on this one. Take full advantage of it right now while it lasts. Now you can get the Gear S3 for as little as $279, which is $70 off the price, which is an awesome deal. And if you're in the market for the Gear Sport, you can get that one for $249, and that's $50 off the original price. Now it's not a bad deal at all. Now you can go to Samsung website and order this, and they will work with you on financing if you qualify. So make sure you read the fine print down below, and also they're going to give you a deal on a watch strap too. Now you can also get this from other places. You can also get it from Amazon.com and Best Buy. I will leave a link in the description down below where you all can go check out these awesome deals. The next order of news is the Galaxy S10. Now listen, take a look at this phone. Now this is just a render right now. It doesn't necessarily mean that this is the actual phone that's going to come out. Now this supposedly is the Galaxy S10. It looks gorgeous. Totally bezel-less. This is one gorgeous display. If Samsung can pull this off, this is going to be the greatest smartphone ever created. Look at it. No bezels at the top, no bezels at the bottom, from side to side, no bezel, all display. And I'm quite sure Samsung's gonna work it out where they can use their palm rejection so you don't accidentally touch and hit on any other applications by accident. But other than that, this render looks awesome. Hopefully Samsung can pull something off just like this. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video.